Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the best tools for Amazon product research. Let's get started. When it comes to finding winning products, having the right tools is absolutely essential. Let's start with Jungle Scout. This is a fantastic data-driven tool that's excellent for deep product research and sales analytics. It's particularly strong at providing accurate sales estimates and helping you validate product ideas with solid numbers. Next, we have Helium 10. This is a powerful all-in-one suite that's packed with features. It excels at keyword research, listing optimization, and it has great tools for uncovering profitable niches. Many professional sellers rely on its comprehensive set of capabilities. Another excellent option is AMZ Scout. This tool is known for its user-friendly interface and reliable product database. It's great for quick product evaluations, profit calculations, and it offers some really helpful supplier information. Each of these tools brings something valuable to the table and can be incredibly useful for different aspects of your Amazon business. However, if you're looking for the most streamlined, intuitive platform specifically designed for spotting winning trends and products faster than anyone else, then you need to see what makes Sell the Trend different. While those other tools are great for data analysis, Sell the Trend answers the question. Want to find winning products faster? This is where their Smart Hub changes everything. It's truly your all-in-one dashboard for everything e-commerce. What sets it apart is how it brings together AI-powered product research with the ability to actually spy on any online store to see what's working right now. The platform helps you find proven winners through their Nexus AI products and hand-picked winners collections. You can use their ad finders to see trending ads on Facebook and TikTok and unlock competitor secrets with their spy tools for store and niche intelligence. Plus, it connects you directly to all the major marketplaces to source your products, everything you need to find your next bestseller, all in one place. That's Sell the Trend. And what makes it so effective is how it transforms complex market data into clear, actionable insights that you can use immediately. While other tools provide valuable information, Sell the Trend gives you that competitive edge in spotting trends before they peak. You can try Sell the Trend completely free for 14 days using the link in the description below. This gives you full access to all their advanced features without any commitment. Thanks for watching. If you want the most efficient way to find winning Amazon products, use the link in the description to try Sell the Trend's free trial today.